This is my report, Article 64. Rules for the application of penalties which contain 3 periods in the cases in which the penalties prescribed by law contain 3 periods. Whether it be a single divisible penalty or composed of their different penalties, each one of which forms a period in accordance with the provision of Articles 76 and 77, the court shall be observed for the application of the penalty the following rules according to whether there are not. Number 1. When there are neither aggravating nor mitigating circumstances, they shall impose the penalty prescribed by law at its medium period. Number 2. When only a mitigating circumstances is present in the commission of the act, they shall impose the penalty at its minimum period. Number 3. When an aggravating circumstance is present in the commission of the act, they shall impose the penalty at its maximum period. Number 4. When both mitigating and aggravating circumstances are present, the court shall reasonable offset choose of one class against the other according to their relative. Number 5. When there are 2 or more mitigating circumstances and no aggravating circumstances are present, the court shall impose the penalty next lower to that prescribed by law in the period that it might deem applicable according to the number. Number 6. Whatever may be the number and nature of the aggravating circumstances, the court shall not impose a greater penalty than that prescribed by law at its maximum period. Number 7. Within the limits of each period, the court shall be determine the extent of the penalty according to the number and nature of the aggravating and mitigating circumstances and the greater and lesser extent of the evil preceded by crimes.